The route I've planned is M25 and then follow the signs for brands.
Okay. It's a good plan.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
So we're on our way to Brands Hatch today. We are heading there for BSB. It's a Saturday, so it's only the qualifying, no actual racing. I think there's a few races though. Got a bit of sidecars going on, bit of bikes, you know, should be a good laugh. The ride down there shouldn't be too long. It's about a half an hour ride down there, so it's going to be a bit of M25 over the bridge. I don't think it's quite the M20, I think it's the M20 turn off, but you don't go M20. But we are a bit late, we're about 20 past 10 because it starts as just a bit of free practice. We've decided we're not for that really. I've put music on, and so far I've just had 2 drum and bass tunes, and drum and bass probably isn't the best thing for me to listen to while I'm riding, because the beat just encourages you to go, and I can't go. This is the bit where I should be able to go. I've got a donking and I don't know what it is. Is it the hoodie? Is that what's donking? I can't see where that is. Sounds like it's hitting up here. Maybe hitting the side, maybe. I don't know where it is. It's there. There it is. I think it's just gone back. Okay, carry on. I'm going to try and not sing along because A, it's dreadful. I don't really have a B, just an A. Here we are anyway, heading up the bridge. And the ferries on the right, I don't think I ever see move. They're always just there. So I'm hoping we'll be able to do a paddock walk at least. I don't know how long they're sort of looking to stay in. Hopefully if we stay after the races, we should be able to do a pit walk. If not, I'll try and put some pictures in of the pit walk from touring cars last weekend. Let's follow the Ferrari. Oh no, I don't want to follow Ferrari actually, because I think I want this turning. Oh, that's good. I've got one disc lock that you can see on my dash there, the key for. But I've got a disc lock that I don't need a key to lock the bike up. I've got a disc lock, I do need a key to lock the bike up. So that one's fine, because I can make sure I've got the key before I lock it. But the one that I don't need the key, I need to make sure that is the right key. Even though I know it's the key, and it's the key I've used consistently, you know, just in case. At some point, we should get a sign saying, bikes go that way. All bikes turn left. Oh yeah, we need to be careful. Last time we came, we missed the sign that says bikes that way. Parking bikes that way. So turn right. Isn't it that one? No. And then we get the worst park in the land on this fucking gravel. Indicator goes off. Oh look, helicopter. Oh, I can't hold that. Here I can, like that. Get in gear. There we go. Oh, not too quick, Matt. What? Just free practice at the minute, isn't it? Or is it quali? Alright, we're here. Let's go. Right. I'm hoping they do delivery because I don't know what I'd do with the SV otherwise. It's 500 quid on that one. This is not somewhere I should be. No. Dave was saying the other day, don't like it, or earlier, we don't like them. This is what I mean. Every now and then, one pulls up there, and then you don't have the fuzz, it has the grunt. we're done at Brands Hatch. If you haven't guessed, we are leaving. Yeah, we've had a good day at Brands Hatch. Hopefully you've seen a bit of video. There's been a couple of crashes, or not crashes so much, just wipeouts. Sidecar racing was a bit weird. I think calling it sidecar racing's pushing it at best. But who am I to judge, I suppose? But yeah, the BSB was good. Championship winner today. And still more races tomorrow, but he's already won it now. We had a few other good races. 400cc, some 600cc's. A bit qualifying as well. It was good. It was a good day. Obviously, a few bikes. Hopefully they'll... I can't remember what the videos on them come out like, but hopefully they're good enough to be in the video. Okay, we're finally out of that traffic. It's only turning right out of the end there just because it's a busy road. It's pretty much where all the traffic's heading. So what they try and do is they try and send you right out of there so that you sort of loop round and join that road. We done a left, so you cut down and you join the loop halfway through. It can be beneficial, can be not as beneficial. All in all, I don't really know. Oh, I feel a bit stiff if I'm honest. Not in that way. Any tunnel is an excuse to be a dickhead. Okay, we've got red lights up ahead, which is good. Red lights mean like red traffic lights. I don't know if they come through. Red lights mean we can do this.